Our quality control starts with the materials. We look at the melt flow index on the high density polyethylene. We also do strain tests on the steel to make sure the steel's configured to our specification. And once we're happy that those raw materials are of the correct specification, then we can put them into the manufacturing process. It's not just that, we then clearly manufacture and fabricate, and you've got to make sure that that product, when it leaves, is fit for purpose, because it's going to go onto site and it's going to be installed straight away, and it's got to be a first-time fit.
At every stage we have quality checks, so on the extruder we're doing heat checks. We're developing at the moment thermal imaging to capture data, and also to capture data from our coolant systems, so we can really control our process, make it more efficient, and hopefully also reduce the energy cost of our coolant at the same time. As well as all the key stages, we also have a final 18-point quality check, so each pipe has an individual ID with an 18-point quality check, and a further 17 points of if we make any amendments or repair work, that everything's recorded, and that's done for every single pipe. We have full gold star traceability right from pipe installation all the way back to raw material in, and to me that's pretty much world class.
If there's an issue with the pipe, we can go back and look at all the manufacturing processes, all the materials that have gone into that pipe, and anything within the quality control process on the shop floor. But in the long term, in 100 years' time, if somebody's put pipe in Junction Street, Nelson, we'll be able to put Junction Street, Nelson into our database, search for it, and we'll be able to tell people exactly what's happened when that pipe went in, or the manufacturing process and installation process. It's a very inert material, and it should have longevity in the product.